In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome's high CPU usage on Windows. If you've ever found your computer slowing down when using Chrome, you're not alone. Let's walk through a few simple steps to help reduce that CPU usage and get your browser running smoothly again. First things first, a straightforward approach is to close tabs you're not using. It might sound simple, but each open tab consumes a bit of your computer's processing power. If you have a dozen tabs open, they could collectively be eating up more resources than you realize. So, take a moment to identify those tabs you're not actively using and close them. This can immediately lighten the load on your CPU. Next, let's talk about ending bad processes. Google Chrome has its own task manager you can use to see precisely what's consuming your CPU power. To access it, open Chrome and press Shift+S key. This will pop open the Chrome Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of open tabs and extensions. Click on the CPU column to determine which item is demanding the most processing power. If you spot any tab or extension that appears unusually high on resource usage, select it and click End Process. This action will terminate the process, thereby freeing up some CPU capacity. Turning off unused extensions can also help significantly. Extensions are great tools, but some can hog a lot of your system's resources. Start by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then head to Extensions, Manage Extensions. Now you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. If you spot any that you no longer need, you can disable them by clicking the blue switch next to each. It's a good idea to periodically review these, as it's easy to accumulate extensions over time that you no longer use. Another way to give Chrome a speed boost is by clearing your cache. Over time, your browser collects a ton of data, which can slow things down. Here's how to clear it. Open Chrome and press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In the menu, change the time range to All Time to ensure you're clearing out old data, and make sure both cached images and files and cookies are checked. Finally, click Clear Data. This will remove the old files that might be clogging up your browser, potentially enhancing performance. With these steps, you should notice a reduction in your Chrome browser's CPU usage, leading to a smoother experience on your Windows machine. If the issue still persists after trying all these steps, consider checking for updates or looking into other systemic causes that might be affecting your computer's performance. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.